You won't believe what this clay cat did. If your cat loves chaos more than catnip, you're officially a cat servant. If your curtains have more holes than Swiss cheese, you're living with a feline tornado. If you still think you're in charge, think again. Meet Pickles, the fluffiest troublemaker on four paws. One morning, Pickles decided her human's Zoom meeting needed some personal flair. She leapt onto the keyboard, typed a mysterious message, and hit send. Suddenly, the whole office got an email that just said, "Mew, mew, mew." Her human tried to shoo her away, but Pickles doubled down. She turned off the camera and sat on the mouse. After all, who needs spreadsheets when you could chase your tail? By the end, Pickles had won. Meeting canceled, extra snacks for her, and a whole office laughing. Never underestimate a cat on a mission, especially if snacks are involved. Subscribe for more Pickles adventures.